What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple cases made by Simtect for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I will also be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these cases up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews for you guys. Now both of these cases do come with a really nice big wiping cloth, which is definitely nice. So let's start off with the clear case. And then here we have a flexible clear case made by Simtect. So this case here is nice and flexible, has a soft feel to it, and it shows off the color of your phone. It's also been military grade drop tested 8,000 plus times up to 10 feet. It also has an anti-fingerprint electroplate coating, an antioxidant coating, and a nano oleophobic layer. It can also block 99.99% of UV rays, stains, and fingerprints, which keeps it clearer longer over time. And it also has a lifetime warranty. So it is nice and thin and very light. Fits on the phone really nice, feels good in the hand. It is grippy, it's not slippery, which is nice. Buttons, easily accessible. If we look at the side, as you can see, it adds no bulk to the phone, but it does have a little raised edge on the top and the bottom of the phone to protect your screen. On the other side, we have our power button and our volume rockers, which are separated. On the bottom here, we have our cutout for our S Pen that is easily accessible. We have our speaker and our charging port. On the back, as you can see, it shows off the color of your phone really nice. And it also has a raised edge around your camera lenses to give those some protection as well. It also does have some extra protection in the edges as well. In case you happen to drop your phone on the edge, it won't break your screen. So if you want to protect your phone while showing off the color of it, I would definitely take a look at this case, and I'd definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're wondering if it works with wireless charging, no problems there either. And then here we have a camera slide case made by Simtect. This case here has been military grade drop tested 8,000 plus times up to 12 feet and has a nano oleophobic layer as well to keep those fingerprints down. As you can see, it does not collect any fingerprints. Nice and smooth. And again, it's got your little camera cover in case you want total protection. It's got a nice smooth feel to it on the inside as well. And this one also has a nice hard backing surrounded by flexible TPU sides. And there it is on the phone. Feels nice in the hand. It is not slippery either. Buttons, nice and clicky, easily accessible. And as you can see, they don't protrude too far off the case, which is nice. If we turn it to the side, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. It's got that nice raised camera bump in the back. It also has a raised edge on the top and the bottom for your screen protection. On the side here, we have our power button that has like a little serration on it, as well as our volume rockers. On the bottom, we have our little cutout for the S Pen, so it's easily accessible, our speaker grill, and our charging port. And on the back here, again, it's got that nice camera cover if you want 100% guaranteed privacy from those rear cameras or protection, either way. It's got that nice soft back, doesn't collect any fingerprints, very nice, and you can easily close the cover just like that. So now your cameras are totally protected. It's really good, especially if you like to be active outside as well. And if you're wondering about wireless charging, no issues there. And it's also got some extra cushions in each one of the corners too, in case you happen to drop your phone, it's still protected. So I really like the fact that it does have a camera lens cover to protect those cameras. It is a really nice case, and I would give it a thumbs up. And if you want to have your cameras exposed so you can use them, it still does have a nice raised edge, and the cameras are nice and recessed in the case, so you still shouldn't have to worry about your cameras getting damaged. So that's it for the Simtect cases for the brand new Galaxy S23 Ultra. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.